Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I just got off work and I had to do a quick tutorial on stand store, like designing your stand store. I got a comment on another video of mine and they want to know if they can design their stand store, but also do they need watermarks on their design? And I'm gonna say no, you don't need watermarks, but you can't absolutely, sorry for the noise, you can't absolutely design your stand store with everything that you want. You have to use the templates. There are templates. You can change the colors for your branding and all the things like that. But if you are new here, welcome to the channel, welcome to the C Set. If you are coming back, hey fam, what's up? Thank you for sharing out the channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying these short tutorials because it's just bite-sized content and we're learning. I don't want to overteach, overwhelm y'all. So let's get into the stand store content, designing your stand store. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. So y'all saw the comment before, so I just wanted to do a quick tutorial. This is my stand store. This is the face and the inside of the stand store. And on the right here, you will see that it will show you the preview of what's on your phone, of what it looks like. So this is the computer version of everything, and then this over here, it will show you what it's going to look like on your phone for the customer to view. So if you want to put your name up here, the title and all of this, you're just going to be on the My Store tab over here on Stand Store. Upload your profile picture and name your store, and your name right there, that's going to be your stand store name tag. So I just changed mine from Book and Pay to Crystal Coats because I am in transition. So we are just going to hit this edit button. So if we wanted to change the display name, which this is, I will click here and you'll see over on the cell phone view, it will change and it will show you what it's going to look like over there. So you can change that at any time. That's no problem. And then you can do a short bio. You only have 80 characters here, so be careful. I would throw that in ChatGPT and tell Chat like what you want your stand store to be about and let it know that you only have 80 characters to use, but also remind it to not include the spaces for the characters, because once you do the spaces, it will it'll give you more than 80 characters. So have ChatGPT help you with the bio if you need to keep it under 80 characters, and that is right there. So this is the bio, and you can change that too, just to give people an understanding of what you do and how you can help them when they come to your stand store. And I would have this as short and as clear as possible. So here, you guys know, people that are new here, welcome, 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 welcome to my channel. I am here to help you build confidence in using your God-given gifts and monetize them, whether that's social media, your YouTube, your Instagram, creating digital products, just coaching and developing others with your knowledge and with your skill in the gift that God gave you. Like, let's build your confidence in helping other people because we all have a gift. So that's me in a nutshell, right? So, and then you can, I'm going to scroll down here and then you can add your social media bio. So your Instagram, you can add so much, y'all. Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, blah, 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 like all of this. What is this? Spotify, Etsy. Listen, you get it. You can do all of it. I think I just have Instagram, TikTok, and my YouTube up there. So yeah, that is the bio. So I'm going to go back over here and hit the back button. So that was the bio part. So the comment was about designing your stand store. So right now, the only uploads and the only design that you can do from your personal brand is uploading images from your camera, from your computer, for your products or your profile picture. So all of this, like this is my profile picture. These are things that I have uploaded, and all of my product photos. Those are, photos that I made inside of Canva. Those are the cover pages of my digital products. So I just downloaded it as a PNG and then went ahead and uploaded them as my images over here. But as far as the design, okay, we're going to click edit design, and these are the designs that they give you. So they are preset. You can change the color and the font, obviously, here. And this is my brand color. So green, black, and gold are my brand colors. So you want to make sure that your store is matching your brand, your font, all of the things. Make sure that everything matches across all of your socials. Just make sure, like on your socials, your logo is the same, all the coloring is the same, and you have the right I'm blanking on the word, but you know what I mean, the right number for your color. I forgot what that is, but you guys know what that is. You can drop it in Canva and it'll give you the right number so that you can have the same color on all of your products for your brand. This is it. This is the design, and obviously if you click through, it will show you the mobile version of what it will look like. And let me scroll down a little bit just so you can see. See, the colors change, so you could just keep going. Night View, I kind of like that one, but it doesn't match my brand. This pink, and you see, like sometimes this will change. So depending on your profile picture, it doesn't work for me. You will have to like sometimes change the size of your cover photos if you are uploading them, depending on which design you pick. So this one I kind of don't like because I think the images, like the sizing is just weird. And if you just keep going, you can do all of this, and then you would change the background, you would change your pictures. This one is kind of cool. So if you want a picture, if you want an image in the background, you could do this spotlight one. This is kind of cool. But say you didn't like, say you wanted to change that. So, okay, this is what I mean about the number. I still, oh my gosh, I am blanking. Y'all forgive me. Somebody put it in the comments because right now I'm just trying to do a quick video and I cannot remember what this is called. But this is the specific number for this color. So if I didn't like this blue, I could click on that and change it to this kind of greenish color. But you can also go up here, change this around, make it darker, do whatever you would like, right? And then you would save it. But I'm not going to save because I don't want to do that. I don't like this image and I don't want to change my stuff. So again, this is purple, pink, and you guys, it'll give you the option and the option if to change both colors. So you can change the background if you want to make it black. So then you have pink or pink on pink, or change this to green. And then you can change your font too. So you can see what your font is going to look like, right? So just click that and just play around with it. So this is how you design your store. This is what it's going to look like on the mobile version. And yeah, you just keep going. But I am going to keep mine the same. So we're going to go ahead and just cancel that. And mine will go right back to its original design, which I love because it's black, gold, and green. Landing pages are to take the customer to another page. So if you do marketing, but you do acting, and say you want to take the acting, ooh, child, my computer done. If you want to take somebody somewhere else for another offer or service that you have, this is what you would create, is a landing page. Okay, let me know what else you guys would like to learn on Stan Store. Y'all, I love Stan Store. You can cash out every day, Monday through Friday. If you cash out during the day, you will get your money within like 20 to 25 minutes. Promise you, it will be in your account. If you cash out on Friday after a certain time, you will not see that money till Monday. Don't cash out on the weekend. You won't see it till Monday. But you can do all the things. You can do email blasts and everything. Let me know what y'all want to see next. But I had to do this quick video to answer that question in the comments. And this is what I will be doing. So welcome to my channel. This will be short tutorials, getting straight to it, so that you guys can win, get it done. Let me know if you guys would like to book a one-on-one call, clarity call. Until next time, let me know what you want to learn in the comments and I will create it. Watch this next video coming up and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.